For years, we've been conditioned to optimize our spending for rewards, airline miles, cashback percentages, loyalty points. They promise value, but often deliver expiry dates, complex redemption processes, or simply fail to keep pace with inflation. What if there was a different way, a truly effortless method to participate in the biggest wealth revolution of our time, not by trading, but by simply doing what you already do, shopping? Imagine your everyday debit card transforming into a quiet, consistent Bitcoin earner. Enter Fold app. This isn't just another rewards program. It's a paradigm shift in how you acquire digital assets. Forget about complex crypto exchanges, volatile trading, or expensive mining rigs. So when you buy gift cards through the app, you can boost your rewards up to 15 to 20% back in Bitcoin. Think about your favorite retailers. They're likely on Fold. True ownership. The sats you earn are real Bitcoin held in your Fold account, which you can eventually withdraw to your own wallet. You can direct deposit part of your paycheck, pay bills, and manage your spending all while continuously stacking sats. Fold app might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Dive in and start stacking sats today. It's designed for simplicity, making Bitcoin ownership accessible even if you're completely new to crypto. Future-proof your savings. As Bitcoin adoption grows, the sats you earn today could be worth significantly more tomorrow. This isn't financial advice, but a powerful opportunity for passive wealth generation. With Fold, you literally get paid in Bitcoin for your everyday purchases. Every day you use your Fold card, you get a chance to spin a virtual wheel within the app. These spins can land you bonus sats, higher reward multipliers, or even a chance to win a full Bitcoin. It gamifies your spending in a way that truly benefits your long-term financial goals. At its core, Fold app makes earning Bitcoin incredibly simple and, dare we say, fun. Here's how this ingenious system works. The Fold card. This isn't a credit card, it's a Visa prepaid debit card that allows you to earn Bitcoin back on virtually everything. Groceries, bills, online subscriptions, that morning coffee, it all converts into sats, the smallest unit of Bitcoin. Now here's where it gets interesting. Fold partners with hundreds of popular merchants. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Fold's got a twist that keeps you coming back. The daily spin wheel. Why Bitcoin beats traditional rewards, hands down. While a few airline miles might get you a discount on a future trip, Bitcoin offers something fundamentally different: potential for appreciation. Bitcoin has consistently been one of the best performing assets of the last decade. By accumulating sats with Fold, you're not just getting a discount. You're building a stake in a decentralized, deflationary asset. No expiration dates. Unlike many points programs, your Bitcoin rewards don't expire. But wait, there's more. Fold isn't just about earning. It integrates seamlessly into your financial routine. So whether you're a crypto enthusiast or just someone looking to make their money work a little harder,